Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new video. This one is going to be featuring myself and my daughter Tammi. We're going to be bringing you a few styles that we are rocking together. So easy, so cute, but so much fun as well. So I really hope you enjoy this video today with us. In today's video, I'm going to be rocking my first ever lace front wig, and it is from a company called DYHAIR777. They have also happily sponsored today's video, and they sent me over the wig to review. Now, I just love the bag that the wig came in. It's very cute. Their artwork is amazing, and also they have their details on the front of it, which is quite handy. But I'm gonna take the wig out now and show it to you. They had like a card with their information. They sent me some lashes. Y'all know I don't know how to apply lashes, so just forget about that. Back to the hair, I'm unboxing it for the first time and I just love how it feels. It's extremely soft and the quality of the hair looks pretty good. At this point I was like, oh my gosh, I really hope that I can make this work because I know nothing about lace fronts, but yeah, if I can do it, anyone can. So a bit more specs about the hair. It's 18 inches, the density is 130. I'm just showing you the inside of the cap, which is a medium, what I got. And there are approximately 4 combs inside, and it also has the straps as well if you would like to use them. Lastly, the wig is in the color 1B and it's their Brazilian deep curly, but don't worry, I'll leave all the information in the description box so you can check that out for yourselves. And yes, I went ahead and applied this wig. It was so easy to apply. I just love how it's looking. I haven't even like styled it or manipulated it yet, and it's looking pretty bomb. So we're gonna jump in now to the styling. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy that and I will be back at the end of the video. So that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks again to DYHAIR777 for sponsoring today's video. Bye!